Hi everyone, it's your plane spotting friend Carlos here, and I'm here once again to unbox and review a model plane I have recently received for my birthday. This time it is of the United Airlines Boeing 777-200ER, branded by GeminiJets in the 1/400 scale. Out of all the planes I have flown on while traveling abroad since 2023, the United Airlines 777-200ER is the plane I have spent the most hours flying on. As of now, I have flown on this plane 5 times. In August of 2024, I flew on this plane for Flight 44 from San Francisco to Zurich. This year in February, I flew them again for Flight 917 from San Francisco to Auckland and Flight 870 from Sydney to San Francisco. And most recently in June, I flew with the plane as Flight 926 from San Francisco to Frankfurt and Flight 59 from Frankfurt to San Francisco. So here is the box of the model itself. We have the GeminiJets logo up top, made for collectors, collected by collectors, a 2D picture of the plane. Boeing 777-200ER with the United logo, 1/400 scale, die-cast model aircraft. Look inside. So there's the model inside, and on the flap, I'm going to zoom in on this for any of you who would like to pause and read. So up there we have the background information of the 777-200ER, and then we have some specific aircraft specifications. If you also want to pause and read that as well. And like I said, there's the plane. And prior to filming this video, I have already unboxed this aircraft because I have noticed, unfortunately, that the model came broken with its right wing detached. But as you can see, I already took it out and used super glue to glue it back on. So when I take it out of the box, it should appear normal again. Anyways. On the bottom, GeminiJets logo once again, 1/400 scale die-cast model, and some details with that. Here's the side, same as the other. Adult collectible model, and on the back, we have a 2D picture of the plane climbing. And as real as it gets description, new aircraft being added monthly, licensed product of the 777, made in China, and this is a 2025 release, so not very long ago. Alright, I'll take the model out of the box. I'll just put this away real quick. Oops. All right, there it is. Give it a quick zoom. It's a very nice plane. Let's see if I can grab it. And this plane also has rolling wheels, which is really nice. This is cool. Oops. Edge. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna, I'll put this plane on the box, and then I'll give you a closer look at it. Just, as you know, I'm just trying to be careful here. It's a really nice plane. Don't want to hurt it. Alright. Alright, so while I may have not much to say, I'll just give you just a little cruise around the details of the plane. So, cockpit windows, the Star Alliance logo, nose gear. The big United titles. And the new livery of United, which it's been painted since 2019. It's really nice. Really nice shade of blue. Here are the engines. The Pratt & Whitney 4000s. Which are one of my favorite engines on the 777. Flat wingtip with its red navigation light. There's windows. And there's the registration, November 798, Uniform Alpha. There's the United tail. And I'll show you the other side. Oh, here's the front as well, if you want to take an angle at it. It's really nice. Alright, I'll show you the other side. Yeah, high quality, very detailed. Oops. Cargo door for checked baggages. And this is also my first Boeing aircraft in my GeminiJets collection. Very nice model. And I'll show you the top as well. Then I will show you the bottom. I'll try to carefully pick it up. Quite heavy, 1 or 2 pounds, that's what it is. Nose gear. And like I said, the wheels roll. I can't reach it. Yeah, very nice model, especially with the blue on this plane. The shade is really good. Yeah, I really like it. Well, everyone, this has been the unboxing and review of the 777-200ER of United Airlines. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and review. And I'll see you guys later.